Okay, so things are getting interesting for Tesla. 2 days ago, we had this candle right here. Look at how it stopped at 205.86. Went a little bit lower the price. So some people paid, they paid around 202.59. This is the low of that day. And then it came back up. So the fact that we went below and came back up is telling me that we are respecting this support line. This is a line that has been in place since August. This is the increase in price. This is the average increase in price for Tesla. And when we tried to go lower on August 28th, but then we're pushed back up, this was the first sign that, okay, maybe things are going to start to turn around. Second day, this was a better day. We made the higher high right here. This was the high here compared to this high. In terms of the low, it was a higher low also. And, perfection of perfection, we had the low exactly right smack on that support line again. This is the support line. And today, look at this, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. We have the low of the day pretty much right smack on that support. And now we have a nice bounce on it. For the past 2 days, I would not call them a bounce. I would call them a pause. The stock was coming down. The stock price was coming down. And then it stopped there. It stopped there. Now it's using that support to move up. So we still have buyers. So buyers that are right here, buyers are buying Tesla at a higher price and they are willing to buy it at a higher price. So this means that the market considers Tesla to be increasing in value. This is what this means. Tesla is increasing in value. This is good. At the same time, we have another line that shows the highs, the tops. They were decreasing in value and they are still decreasing in value. So we have the highs decreasing in value and we have the lows increasing in value because each candle is a price spread. Price went up to that price and price went as low as that price. This is a price spread. So we can draw a line on the tops, on the highs, and we can draw a line on the lows. And we are going to have a conversion very, very soon. So this is another step towards that resolution, which we are going to get maybe in a week or so, if you count the number of candles that will be required to break either this resistance or that support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should have some resolution within 5 business days. Until then we just stay put because the market is undecided. We don't know what it is going to happen. When we are going to start to have a break of these two lines, then it does not mean that we need to buy right away, but it's going to at least unstuck the price. It's going to unstuck it. And then we are going to look at where it is going to fall. We have some other resistance at 226.18. So in order to buy, we need to break that. And we have some lows at 194.35 right here. We still have some low at 205. But the real low is at 194.35 right here. So we need to break this to buy. We need to break this to sell. In terms of our indicators, we have stochastic over 60 right now. So this is an indicator that is required to believe any move up in a stock. So we are happy to see this. And we got back our SI with the big move that we had today. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. The VIX is continuing down 4%. We like this. When the VIX is going down, the stock market is going up. Let's look at the stock indices. Dow Jones, nice day today. So we had a little bit of a problem this week, breaking 41,368. Now, boom, we have a break there. We have a break. This is bullish. S&P 500, we are still below resistance, getting close to it. So we'll see maybe next week if we start to break it. NASDAQ, nice day. 1.29% up. We are still caving into that downward resistance. So NASDAQ is not going as well as S&P nor Dow Jones. Let's take a look at our important stocks. So Apple basically going sideways today. We broke 228.62 and now we are stabilizing above that. Amazon, look at this. So nice candle for Amazon, 371. We were into a downward channel, downward. The trend was going down. It's still going down, but now with this move right here, we have a break. So if this continues next week, because, this is a very shallow break, we have stochastic over 60 at least. So this is looking very good. Then also we need to look for a possibility to get caught under a congestion zone. I'm just trying to put it at the right place. We have a nice low right here, June 17, but then it crosses a bunch of stuff. So I think I'm going to put it, just right here. Just right here. Boom, 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 boom. So we need to break 179. Let's call it 179. We need to break 179. We have stochastic over 60. So, this is looking very, very good. So maybe next week, this is going to give us a legitimate buy signal. AMD bouncing on its support. Adobe breaking congestion zone, continuing higher. So stocks are moving up. ARM, not yet. We need to break 138.43 still. Google, nothing here. Microsoft just going sideways, bouncing a little bit better. Meta going sideways. NVIDIA still above 116.69. This earnings call yesterday was really nice. People didn't like something. And then we had a little bit of a move down, but very shallow move down because we are still above 116.69, still have stochastic. So it's possible that we come back next week. Palantir bouncing nicely on 30.54. So Palantir was named the leader in AI and machine learning by Forrester. So I know a lot of people that are reading Forrester like it's a Bible. So, this is helping a little bit. The next resistance is at 31.64. If we break it, then this is going to be a nice impulse. SMCI, nothing, going sideways. SoFi, big move yesterday. We broke 793. 793 was impossible to break since March. We tried here, tried August 27th. Boom, broke it yesterday. We are staying above today. So, this was a buy yesterday. I bought this morning. Let's hope that this one continues. Let's take a look at our EV stock. So, okay, BYD, nice day today, up 4%. We had the hard time breaking 29. Remember this? It took a week. It was really trying. And then boom, we have the big move today. The earnings were not super good, but not super bad. But there's some news right here. BYD company will acquire Hedon Electric Mobility as part of its strategy to establish itself as a major electric vehicle maker in Europe. So I guess this helped the stock move today. Still lower than 30.79. So, you can consider this move a break above 29 a buy. A little bit high for a buy because it's a buy, but you need to put your stop loss below 29. So if you can suffer that, then hop in. If not, wait for 30.79 and put your stop loss below 30.70. Lucid bouncing nicely on 383. Like to see this. We had a nice move. We came back down and now we are solid, This is the first green candle in a while, in 3-4 days. So this is nice to see. Neo battery material doing nothing. Stochastic is not there, so I don't have faith yet. Neo, nice move up. Red candle, need a break at 422. We have stochastic over 60. We just broke our downward resistance. So these are the two criteria, 2 of the 3 criteria. We need the third one is to have a break of horizontal resistance, which we are going to get when we break 422, if we break it. So this one, put a little bit of a yellow thing right next to it because next week might be a buy for that one. Novonix, nice, look at this green candle, up 6%. This one looks like it wants to move. It broke 177 during the day. This is a very shallow market, so I think I caused that move up. I'm back in it, even though I don't have much reasons. This is, this is kind of a hunch, so I'm backing it. Xpeng, this is you can treat this as a buy once it broke in 70. The better buy is at 822, and then we have downward resistance. So, we have a bunch of stuff that can prevent it. So this one is a little bit more risky. You do what you want with this one. Rivian still coming down. Nouveau Monde Graphite, no, this is going for now. Nikola Mining still above 34 cents. Stochastic increasing. We like to see this. Bitcoin, nothing. XRP above 54 cents. That's the good thing. Gold continuing along that support. Silver basically going sideways. We need a break at 1023. So yeah, Tesla, we might be getting a move next week. We might be getting some action. Some stock action. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. It's Labor Day weekend in the US and in Canada. We are going to talk next Tuesday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.